In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Buggy racing game on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now to get started, all you need to do is to go and click on this icon here. This is a Microsoft Store icon. If you go ahead and click on it, it will take you to Microsoft Store. Alternatively, if you can't see this icon, you can just go to Start menu here and you'll see Microsoft Store available. Once you click on it, it will again take you to this, and we are interested in downloading Buggy Racing. So if you can't find your game, you can go ahead and click on apps here and search your game. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and search for your game here. So for my case, let me show you how you can search. But before you search, you might need to go ahead and create an account, and you can simply do this using your Google account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account here, and you can see it by this icon. So create your account and go ahead and search for any game that you so wish. So I'll go ahead and search. Now you can see my game is here. Now to download it, just go ahead and click on Get. This will proceed and begin downloading the game on your computer. Now once the download is done, you can launch it from here and start playing. If you always want to have a shortcut for the game on your desktop, go ahead and click on Start menu here, and you'll see under recently added apps, you'll see your game here. Go ahead and right click on it and then pin to start. And you can also just drag this and add it on your desktop shortcut. Alternatively, you can always play it from Start menu here. So that's how you download and install Buggy racing game on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.